Welcome. If you're looking to remove your current city from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step using Facebook's latest update, so you can keep your personal information just the way you want it. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, click on your name or profile to enter your personal page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo or in the menu bar under your profile picture. Click on About to continue. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Places Lived. This section displays all the locations you've added to your profile, including your current city. Now, look for the current city entry. Right next to it, you'll see 3 small dots. These are your More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up. From the options, select Delete Current City. Facebook will ask if you're sure you want to remove this information. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your current city will be deleted from your profile. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed your current city from your Facebook page using your PC and the new Facebook update. This is a great way to keep your location private or simply tidy up your profile. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.